Hi guys, fruit tarts are perfect for the summertime, and with summer fast approaching, I thought that this would be the perfect treat to make a quick little tutorial on. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started on this fruit tart. Here's a list of the fresh sliced fruit I used to top my tart. I really love making elaborate cakes, but this tart is just as impressive. I love incorporating fresh fruit, and let me tell you firsthand, this tart is delicious. Let's start with the crust. Combine confectioner sugar, flour, and butter in your food processor until your mixture forms into a dough. Use your fingers or a spoon as I used here to push the crust into the indentations. Pat your crust until it's even. Bake on 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until slightly browned. Let's move on to the filling. Beat the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla together in your mixer until smooth. Spread your filling over your cold crust. For your glaze, combine the limeade, lime juice, and sugar in a small saucepan and cook over medium heat until the glaze is clear and thick. Cut your fresh, clean strawberries into 1/4 inch slices. Do the same for your kiwis. Make sure all your fruit is clean and dry. Arrange your fruit around the edge of your crust. Keep adding another rectangle of fruit, filling in all open spaces as so. I used a 12 by 8 tart pan. This tart is pretty large, so I used 2 rows of strawberries, 2 rows of kiwis, single rows of blueberries, raspberries, and ended it with blackberries. Be creative with your tart and use whatever combination of fruit you like. With a pastry brush, glaze your entire tart. By the way, in case you're wondering, I like to leave my tart on the removable bottom until it's served. Keep your tart in the refrigerator. Remove 15 minutes before serving. And there you have it, your beautiful fruit tart. I love taking these to family parties or summer barbecues. So delicious, light, and beautiful. Try this tart out and tag me so I can see your beautiful creation. There's so many different varieties to make. Here are some of my favorites. And again, thank you so much for watching. I have more tutorials in the works, so please don't forget to subscribe so we can bake and make pastries together. And lastly, here's a slice of the pastry we made together.